Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on your studio for the Let's Come and Share this video because it's amazing. Bro, I have a problem with my Sony Bravia TV. Do you believe this? What is the problem? The problem is that this controller not work, bro. Not work, bro. Can you see this? This is my TV, what you can see here. When I click here to try to turn on, nothing happened. Look at this TV. Nothing happened. Nothing. Do you believe this? How is possible? I'm shocked. Damn. Wow. This is why I decided to fix this problem. How to fix Sony Bravia TV remote? This is what I want to show you. Bro, this is an easy thing to do. Just buy a new one. Buy a new remote, bro. Buy new remote. But this is what I've done. I bought a new remote, bro. Do you believe this? You can see here Sony TV. Okay, now let's start by unboxing. Nice. Okay, cool. Open this. Take it. And welcome. This is my new remote, brother. And this is how it look like. Can you see this? Wow. Wow, it's not heavy. It's definitely not heavy. Compared to a preview version, this is heavy. Not heavy. For brand new, it's not heavy. Can you see this? And this is what I'm talking about. What do you think? Look at the design. Look at comparison. Both to both. Can you see this? Different model number. You can see different model number. Yeah. Got the one way. Different model number. And you have different. Yeah, you can see it's very different. You can see replay. This is sync button. Different. And there are another difference also here. You have face button here. And this is doesn't exist here. Can you see this? But you can see YouTube button here. Can you imagine? Our Netflix and YouTube button. Exit button doesn't exist here. But why is it? I don't know. But this is my new controller that I bought. Yes. I don't know if it will work very well, but I am here to test this. First of all, you need a battery. Can you see this? You are not battery inside, so we need battery. And this is why I bought this. This is my Bravia right now. Okay. Now let's go for the unboxing. Where are you going? Now this is my new Bravia. Best time. Okay. Now let's test. Put this inside. Okay. Now it's inside and close. Close it. Nice. Now let's press on power button to see if it will work. Okay. Come here, bro. I want to test face for the first time with you on my YouTube channel, GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video because this is amazing. This is cool. This is great. Okay. So this is my new remote for my TV, and this is my old remote. Can you see this? Nice. Now let's test the brand new one, the brand new remote. Let's test this. Press this button. Oh, look at. Oh, it work. See, can you imagine? Let's turn off again. Do you imagine? Can you imagine, bro? It worked. It worked, my friend. Wow. This is how to fix Sony TV remote. This is how to do it. Can you see this, bro? Wow. Okay, let's test again this old remote. Okay, so click on power button. Can you see? Nothing happened. Nothing. But when I come back to this new remote, what I have, then click power button and damn, wow, this is amazing. It works now. Can you see? Do you imagine? Can you imagine? Click on return. Wow. Return again. Return. Oh, look at that. Everything work. Even press button. Can you see this? Wow. Click on quit. And wow. Let's click on number 1. Oh, number 1. Let's click on number 2. Oh, number 2. And it works. Okay. Let's try for the first time YouTube button to see if it will work. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. What? It worked, bro. It worked, bro. That's amazing. Do you believe? Can you imagine? What they ask? Can you imagine? Damn. Can you imagine, bro? Can you imagine, bro? Even when I click, I can watch it. Wow. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Can you see this? Can you see this, bro? Wow. I have options and options button work. Okay. Can you see this? Oh, this is crazy. This is just crazy. Return. Can you see this? Wow, I can even research my channel GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Let's see how it look like. Wow, it look like face. Can you see this, bro? Do you imagine? Can you imagine? Damn! Wow, and this is my YouTube channel. Yes! Wow. Click on it, click on it. Look at how it's appear here. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Oh! It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, my friend. Can you imagine? This is how to fix face remote, bro. This is how to fix this Sony TV remote. Can you see this? This is just beautiful. Okay. Thank you for watching, bro. I also want to enjoy this video because I like it. I love it. Now I can watch my videos directly to my TV and look at that, my gaming video. Look at that. If you have a good network connection, you will have something good. Look at volume. Oh, even volume button work. Look at that. Good volume. Can you see this? This is cool. Really, really good. Wow. All of my videos appear here. Wow. And this is cool, bro. Really, really great. Wow. And I like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, GNANGSTUDIO 4D, and get ready. This is HDR video. Internet connection. Look at that. You need good internet connection. Let's start to restart my router because I feel that a problem here. Click on this button because little problem. Can you imagine, bro? Can you imagine, bro? Don't worry, it's gonna get sharp, bro, because this is amazing. This is cool, bro. This is so beautiful. Okay, where are you? Nice. Now, problem is fixed. I can say bye bye to my old remote. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. And now I'm good with this new remote, but I want to test to see how it works. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you later for more videos GNANGSTUDIO for them. Thank you for watching. Yes.